Bye-bye. Bye.
Eh, lalanggan yung sikmura mo dyan.
Good. Good, good, good. Let's go. Go to the front. We'll go to the front. Good morning. We're going to the dental clinic of San Marcos Dental Works.
Naman to, hindi pa binuksan ng maayos.
Going this way. Going this way.
Nahingi po sila sa organeta kasi inaantok na daw si Roy. Anong oras pala?
Tao nito. Napakasarap ng buhay. Yan yung mga
Nag-aano na sila. Wala na naman aircon na.
We have arrived.
ano.
Oh yeah, we're going inside.
First time iisip, baby.
Oh, thank you guys.